I found this old Craftsman socket set at a yard sale. Inside the box there's a 1/2-inch drive ratchet, a breaker bar, the breaker bar has a T-handle crossbar, a speed wrench, two extensions, and 10 sockets. Here's a closer look at the ratchet. The Circle U marking means it was made for Craftsman by Plom, who was later renamed Proto. Craftsman only sold the Circle U tools from 1944 to 1948. The other parts of the set also have the Circle U marking. The sockets range from 1 inch down to 7/16 inch in 1/16 inch increments. All of the sockets are 12 point. This set was definitely used. Here's a close-up of the 7/8 socket. All of the sockets have the same markings. I found this socket set listed in a 1948 Craftsman catalog. It looks like I have a complete set. $15.75 is over $170 in today's money. So this set would have been a significant investment for someone in 1948. The box is pretty beat up. The leather handle has almost completely disintegrated. Two of the hinges have been repaired with sheet metal screws. A clip is missing for the speed wrench. And this divider has been bent. Disassembly of the ratchet was pretty easy. I haven't taken apart a ton of ratchets, but so far this one had the simplest mechanism. There's no question in my mind that this is the Plom design. All the parts looked okay. The ratchet definitely had some miles on it. I made a scraper out of a popsicle stick to help me clean out the inside of the sockets. Here's what I was able to scrape out. I thought these parts would be a good test for the Super Clean degreaser. The Super Clean worked okay. I had to go over the parts a couple of times. The insides of the sockets were particularly difficult to clean. Here's the sockets after cleaning. There was some slight corrosion inside a few, so I opted for giving them a quick soak in evaporust. Here they are after about an hour in the evaporust. I gave the sockets a good soaking with WD-40 and let them sit overnight before wiping dry. I lubricated the ratchet internals with Super Lube as I reassembled. I made this look more difficult than it really was. I went through the whole set and oiled all of the ball detents. I was suspicious that this set was cadmium plated, so I avoided wire wheels and abrasives. Chuck and I did try a little flitz by hand on the ratchet. The polish did not improve the finish much. So here it is, all cleaned up. I washed the box with soap and water and coated it with WD-40. There's a little bit of original paint left and plenty of patina. I was able to bend the brackets back in place to hold the speed wrench. One bracket is missing. I found photos of other cases online that have this divider bent at 90 degrees. However, that makes the section too short to hold all of the sockets. Maybe that's why it had been bent out by the previous owner. I cut down the 2 sheet metal screws that were used to repair the hinges. Now I can use that section without getting stabbed. Here's some before and after footage of the ratchet. And here's the ratchet in action. Finding a 70-plus-year-old Craftsman socket set that is complete and in good working order is quite a yard sale find for me. It was a pleasure cleaning it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.